LGN-65 Fluid Extractor. The Fluid and Mud Extractor, LGN-65, is designed for the water, fuel and mud extraction from containers and tanks. Their main functions are container cleaning. The kit allows to suction the mud and fluids there are into the containers. Suction of the water there are in the tank bottom. Suction of the fuel from vehicles. Container cleaning. The water with hydrocarbon or mud is hard to clean. With the LGN extractor, it's possible to suction all the liquid dirt in few minutes. The kit is pneumatic, so it must be connected to an intake to suction. Water and mud suction of the tank bottom. When there is water in the tank bottom, it's possible to suction it in a quick and clean way with the LGN extractor. The suction is made by vacuum, avoiding possible turbulences when suctioning. The transparent vessel allows to see the water is suctioned and when it is totally full. Fuel vehicle extraction. This kit is useful to extract the fuel from a vehicle. Using the smallest diameter probes, it's possible to completely suction the fuel in the vehicle tank. Kit empty. The kit can be emptied by gravity with the hose at the bottom, or even it's possible to connect it to a pipe and with pressure to displace the fluid several meters.